So this is how you can put the black and white filter on your iPad. So what you need to do is to find the settings app of your iPad and then find the accessibility section. The logo is a person in a circle on a blue background. Then from the options right here, click on display and text size. From there, proceed to the color filters. Then enable the color filters, but it might be set to something else, so select it to be grayscale. So this is how it's gonna look. You have the colored pencils at the top to see what it would really look like when some colors are shown on the screen, but make sure if you want to make it completely black and white to adjust the intensity to the 100% all the way to the right. Because if you make it go halfway, you can see that it just like makes the washed colors effect, which is not fully grayscale or black and white. So just make sure it is that you slide it all the way to the right. So this was the main way how we can turn it on, but I'm going to show you one really cool trick on how you can quickly enable it and disable it. Still part of the accessibility, go toward the bottom and find the accessibility shortcut. So just click on that, and from this option, just select the color filters. Keep in mind that you can select multiple things in here, but I want you to just select one. So if you have some other things, then deselect that. And basically, the accessibility shortcut is triggered by triple clicking the power button. So whenever you want to quickly go and make the iPad black and white, you can triple click the power button and then triple click it again to make the colors reappear. So I find this to be very cool. So let me know below in the comments if you knew about it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and subscribe so you never miss these type of videos in the future. Thanks a lot. I'll see you later.